Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a selfie on Flipgrid. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and log into your Flipgrid account and login in as a student. Once you're inside and you've joined a topic on Flipgrid, you can now click on Record a Response button in order to start recording. Now, once you end up in your screen, you can only take a selfie after you're done with recording your video and when your video is ready for submission. Go ahead and record a video. Let me just record a random video out here. Once you're done with the video, click on the next button and in your submission page, click on Take Selfie button right below your video. You can now go ahead and click on the circle at the bottom and click Confirm. After that, you've taken a selfie on Flipgrid. The selfie will be the cover image for your video. Now tap on the Submit button at the bottom right, and then that is how you can easily take selfie on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.